Okay, so for this video naman, subtraction of functions tayo. So these are the two given functions. So let us find g minus f of x. Okay, so this is also equal to g of x minus f of x. Okay, so first is copy natin yung g of x. So that is 3x minus 10. And then minus yung ating f of x. So f of x is negative 3x squared minus 8x minus 2. Now, in subtraction of functions po, gumagamit tayo, or sa subtraction, gumagamit tayo ng KCC. KCC. Meaning, we keep the first function, change the operation, and then change the sign. Change natin yung sign ng pangalawang function. Okay? So, lahat ng sign dito. So, keep natin yung first function. We have 3x minus 10. So, change natin yung operation from minus magiging plus. And then, negative 3x squared will become positive 3x squared. Okay. So, that's positive 3x squared. Then, negative 8x will become positive 8x. And negative 2 will become positive 2. Okay. So, next is combine similar terms. Since wala tong kasimilar, lalagay natin siya sa pinaka left side. So, copy. 3x squared. Now, similar terms natin. Una, 3x and 8x. Right? And then, since same yung sign, add natin yung numbers. So, 3 plus 8 is 11. And then, positive. Okay, or plus na. And then, copy the common variable, which is x. The next natin is negative 10 plus 2. Ayan yung similar terms. Okay. So, add natin dalawang constant. So, negative 10 plus 2. Magkaiba ang sign. So, subtract natin. So, we have 10 minus 2 is 8. And copy the sign of the bigger number. So, we have negative. Okay. So, this is now the final answer. So, we have g minus f of x. Thank you.